Hello everyone, this is Leo from RailMac. In this video, I will introduce RailMac's new energy locomotive series products. RailMac is a professional one-stop railway equipment solution provider, offering HCD 5000 to HCD 1500 new energy locomotives, HCT 3000 to 5000 electric pullers, and HCD railcars. We also provide oil to electricity services, locomotive operation and maintenance, leasing, and major and medium-sized repair services to ensure equipment performance and reliability. RailMac is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. The HCD series new energy locomotives include 4 models: HCD 1500, HCD 2500, HCD 3500, and HCD 5000, meeting a variety of operational needs. With traction forces ranging from 173 kN to 550 kN, speeds of 30 km per hour to 60 km per hour, and a range of 60 km to 150 km per charge. They are ideal for shunting and short-distance freight tasks in sectors such as coal, metallurgy, petrochemicals, ports, and railway logistics hubs. The HCT 3000 to 5000 series new energy electric puller is engineered for efficient and precise shunting operations, suitable for diverse areas such as coal, metallurgy, petrochemicals, ports, and railway logistics hubs. With a traction force of 252 kN to 550 kN, speeds ranging from 8 km per hour to 35 km per hour, and a range of 90 km. They offer low constant speed operation and achieve positioning accuracy within 50 mm. The HCD series new energy railcar is designed for tasks such as traction during track construction and maintenance, as well as high-speed transport of personnel and materials, with a maximum traction force of 120 kN to 260 kN, a top speed of 50 km per hour to 100 km per hour, and a range of 100 km to 200 km. It is ideal for use by railway maintenance departments, depots, stations, industrial spurs, urban rail systems, and ports for efficient traction and transport operations. Based on our rich experience and resources, RailMac provides customized solutions for all of our global railway business partners. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium locomotive offerings. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact RailMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage. www.rail-mac.com.